Hey guys, my name is Ryan. I'm one of the developers here at Bookura. I want to say thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Now, I know your time is valuable, so I'm going to try to keep this short and 100% worth your time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your business might be losing customers and how we can help turn that around. Before I jump into exactly what Bookura is and how it works, I want to show you two crucial reasons you might be losing customers. Here's a random med spa website that I found on Google. Everything looks great at first glance, but let's talk about their booking system. You guys might be familiar with this one. It's called boulevard.io. I personally couldn't even figure it out. First of all, I got redirected to another page just trying to book their services. I couldn't figure out how to actually book an appointment, and the whole thing just felt clunky and outdated. And guess what? This software costs $400 a month. $400 a month. Now, the good news is we will not be charging you $400 a month. And the next thing I want to point out, and another reason you might be losing customers, is contact forms. On another website, you can see a contact form at the bottom of a beautifully designed page. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you filled out a contact form, waited for somebody to get back to you just so they could explain their services? Probably never, right? Customers today want an instant experience. If you don't clearly have what services you provide and how much they cost, they're going to go off to a competitor. I'm sure you've done this yourself. Now, with that in mind, let me tell you a little bit about Bookura. I'm not going to bore you with a long list of features and integrations, but here's what you need to know. Bookura is a all-in-one scheduling and business management software that actually works and looks amazing. It lets you manage your appointments, payments, staff, and services from a single platform. With Bookura, you can set up a booking panel that's embedded directly on your website. You can create services, set prices, descriptions, assign staff members, handle bookings, manage calendars, send invoices, and so much more. One of the coolest features is workflows. This is where the automation kicks in. So it handles repetitive tasks for you, things like sending follow-up emails, SMS reminders, and personalized thank you messages. You can set these workflows up to trigger automatically, and they'll run in the background without you having to lift a finger. And everything is tracked through the dashboard. From client information to payments, appointments, you can see it all in one place. Plus, Bookura integrates seamlessly with over 15 tools like Zoom, PayPal, Stripe, and MailChimp, so everything works perfectly together. Now, let's talk about the 3 different ways we can help. The first option is the Bookura only setup. If you're happy with your current website, but you need a better booking system, this is it. We'll configure your entire Bookura dashboard and set it up on your website. That means we'll customize everything: your branding, your services, your staff, your locations, all of it. You'll get lifetime access to our enterprise plan, which is normally $147 a month, but for this plan, it's a simple flat fee of $499. No hidden fees, no reoccurring charges, just one payment. The next option is our website plus Bookura integration. If your website isn't converting into clients, this is the best option. About 50% of the people that we work with choose this route. Now, I'm not here to tell you that your website sucks or that you're running your business wrong, but let's be real. A clean, professional website makes booking easier for both you and your customers and is absolutely crucial in today's age. With this option, we'll build you a completely custom website. You can choose from one of our 50 templates that we've personally built, and every site is SEO optimized and mobile friendly. We'll integrate Bookura into your website so it works seamlessly. The final option is just the free consultation. So if you don't know what you need, that's totally fine. You can book a free consultation with me directly and we can figure it out together. This isn't a sales pitch. It's just a chance to talk about your business and figure out what's working and what might not be working and see if we can help. All 3 of these options are completely free to book. So here's what I want you to do next. Scroll to the bottom of this page and you'll see our booking panel where you can book one of these services directly. Like I said, it's completely free to book and it takes less than 10 seconds. Once you book, we'll get back to you within 24 hours and come up with a solution tailored to your business. So whether it's a better booking system, a new website, or both, we will make sure that you have the tools to run your business smoothly. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'm Ryan with Bookura, and I can't wait to hear from you guys.